Let's do an experiment on cleaning copper coins. For this, we would need 5 cups, pieces of paper, a pen to write down our solution that we used for cleaning the coins, a towel, and some vinegar, ketchup, water, Coca-Cola, and a solution of salt and water. Drop your coins in each of these solutions, 1 coin in each, and then after about 10 minutes, take it out and see which one worked the best. Which one got your coin most shiny? Can you guess? Try this experiment at home and let us know. You can also make it a sensory activity by smelling each of these ingredients. Thank you.